So we're on the Fidelity 1000. Move away from the swearers on 19. Mega Chippie channel. Doesn't have an extension speaker socket on this version. It's 50-50 on Fidelity 1000s as to whether they do have an extension speaker socket or not. So we're going to initially be doing this on the standard replacement mic, and then we'll move over to the factory mic. So this is for, yeah, end user anyway. Tango 20 on Mr. Chippie, D copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, off we go.
Roger that. Alright, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I can't plug an extension speaker in because it doesn't have a socket for one, and it doesn't have a tone control.
Roger that.
And it's pitch black and raining, you can't tell me what's in the fields.
More than likely water.
Yeah, that's true.
Right, we're now onto the main road.
Roger Dodger. Got you at the end of the lane and onto the main road.
Right, we're now onto the main road.
Roger Dodger. Got you at the end of the lane and onto the main road.
Service station, and it's 139.9 and 148.9.
Well, we must be early today.
Yeah, Roger, by all 10 minutes.
Wow.
Well, 40 minutes if we say it's normally past.
And we've got 2 tests to do to catch up with the Christmas backlog.
Roger, Dodger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at the crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and I can see there's a fire engine in somebody's driving a lot. Wow, there's a lot going on at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and I can see there's a fire engine in somebody's driving a lot. Wow, there's a lot going on at Wilsford.
Oh, like pumping water out fire engine in somebody's drive. Well, got you going around Scratchy Corner.
And I'm on the Fidelity 1000 CB1000 from 1981 using the great GT858 chassis and doing 3.7.
Yeah, roger that. Yeah, you're probably right on the water. Come through there the other week before Christmas, and there was a lot of water on the road.
Yes, I went down there a few days ago when it hadn't been raining as much as the water was at the top of the banks.
Oh, roger. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
What have you got you going over Wilsford level crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn over. I nearly forgot that I've done it. It's been that long since I've done it.
There you are, losing your marbles, and it's got you going past the Kelby turn.
Roger, roger. Passing the Greyleys turn over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Fidelity 1000, 23.7 watts, drawing 800 milliamps, and we're now going to go over to low power. So 54321. Now I'm on low power, and it's doing 220 milliwatts. That's 220 milliwatts and drawing 338 milliamps in current consumption back to full power, and there we are back at full power over.
Yep, roger that. Well, you're well received on both.
There you go, that shows how the propagation has improved with the waterlogged fields.
Roger that.
Off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 139.9 and 148.9, which I think is exactly the same as Ancaster.
Can't be bad. Right, well that's worth a treat. That's great, thanks, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. So you should have a petrol price for me at that point as well, please, over.
Yeah, 139.9 and 148.9, which I think is exactly the same as Ancaster.
Can't be bad. Right, well that works of treat. That's great, thanks, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Yeah, you know, absolutely fine. So we'll go to our base station and just see what it sounds like on that, and then we'll plug in the factory original mic, which is exactly the same looking type as I'm using, but he's going to obviously have a different insert.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Fidelity 1000 with our standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power, it's a hum test. There we go on low power, and then back to full power. There we are on full power. So we'll swap microphones to the customer's original. Tango 21, testing the factory original mic, the one that says Fidelity on it. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just in case there's a hum problem. Go to low power. There we're on low power again. Testing 1, 2, 3. Back to full power. And thanks for watching.